From dreams to reality, witness AI reshaping our world, a realm where machines mirror the mind. Join us as we unravel the evolution of artificial intelligence, tracing its journey from early computations to the very fabric of our existence. Prepare to witness a transformation that's rewriting the rules of possibility, where innovations unfold so rapidly that laws struggle to keep up. Life as we know it is changing at an astonishing pace. To grasp the path ahead, it's essential to delve into our origins. The journey of AI traces back to the birth of early computers in the 20th century. These early computing marvels, products of innovative minds, laid the very groundwork for what we now know as artificial intelligence. As these pioneers tinkered with vacuum tubes, punched cards, and circuitry, they unwittingly planted the seeds of a revolution that would propel technology beyond the boundaries of human imagination. Among those who recognized the untapped potential of machines to emulate human cognition was the visionary mathematician and logician Alan Turing, best known for his pivotal role in breaking the German Enigma code during World War II. His influence extended far beyond cryptography. With pioneering insight, Turing began to lay the very foundations of what would become the realm of AI. His groundbreaking theoretical work posed a question that would echo through the corridors of time. Can machines think? This question not only spurred philosophical debates, but also ignited the fires of innovation, leading to a quest to create machines that could potentially replicate the intricate processes of human thought. This audacious concept, championed by Turing and his contemporaries, would not only redefine the boundaries of technology, but would also forever alter the trajectory of human progress. Little did they know that their early explorations into the realm of AI would set in motion a series of events that would reshape industries, influence economies, and weave the very fabric of our modern existence. The 1950s marked a turning point, as researchers like John McCarthy embarked on a transformative journey to bring the visionary concept of AI into the realm of reality. Armed with a fierce determination, they sought to bridge the gap between human intellect and machine capabilities. The term artificial intelligence was coined during this era, echoing with the promise of a technological frontier that would forever reshape the landscape of human innovation. This groundbreaking terminology marked the commencement of an era defined by tireless exploration into the intricate workings of human cognition and the boundless potential of its emulation. The trajectory of technological progress was forever altered as the world set its sights on the ambitious pursuit of creating machines that could think, reason, and learn. The subsequent decade bore witness to a paradigm-shifting revolution led by visionaries of AI, including luminaries like Marvin Minsky and Frank Rosenblatt. Drawing inspiration from the intricate networks of the human brain, these pioneers embarked on a remarkable journey into the uncharted territory of neural networks and perceptrons. Their bold ideas ignited the field of neural AI, casting aside conventional limitations and daring to replicate the intricate connections of the human mind within the circuits of machines. These pioneers carved a path toward a future where machines held the potential to learn, adapt, and evolve, bringing us ever closer to the elusive realm of human-like intelligence. As the decade unfolded, their efforts paved the way for a new generation of AI systems that demonstrated the astonishing ability to grasp patterns, recognize complex data, and refine their responses. The very fabric of technology was being rewoven, inch by inch, into an intricate tapestry that bore the promise of a future where machines and humans could engage in a symbiotic dance of intelligence, innovation, and progress. With each stride forward, the chasm between mere computation and genuine understanding was narrowing, offering a glimpse into a future that was both thrilling and transformative. Transition from theoretical musings to tangible breakthroughs unfolded during the vibrant decades of the 1970s and 1980s. It was an era that witnessed the culmination of relentless research and experimentation as AI's promise began to crystallize into practical realities. This transformative epoch marked the dawn of expert systems and machine learning, where the seemingly abstract notion of machines emulating human decision-making gained traction. During this pivotal juncture, computers transformed into sophisticated tools that not only processed data, but also interpreted it in ways that resembled human cognition. Expert systems, meticulously designed to replicate human expertise in specific domains, brought the intricacies of human knowledge to the realm of technology. This convergence of human wisdom and computational prowess forged a path that would ultimately lead to AI's integration into various facets of our lives. As the world journeyed into the present day, AI's pervasive impact became inescapably evident. Industries that span the breadth of our society, from healthcare to finance and transportation, have been revolutionized by AI-powered innovations. The walls of impossibility crumbled as medical diagnoses became more accurate and efficient, while finance science witnessed the emergence of predictive algorithms capable of forecasting market trends with unprecedented precision. Yet, perhaps the most awe-inspiring manifestation of AI's transformation lies in the realm of transportation. Autonomous vehicles, once the stuff of science fiction, are now a tangible reality, navigating our roads with remarkable autonomy. This paradigm shift in transportation reflects AI's ability to harness data, process it instantaneously, and make decisions that mirror our own cognitive processes. The transformative journey of AI applications is ongoing, with each passing day heralding new horizons of possibility. As we stand at the confluence of technological advancement and human ingenuity, we're poised on the precipice of a future where the boundaries between human and machine continue to blur. Medical diagnoses that once relied solely on human expertise now benefit from the fusion of AI's analytical prowess. Our financial decisions are informed by algorithms that dissect complex data patterns, offering insights beyond human intuition. The roads of tomorrow are destined to be navigated by vehicles that possess the intelligence to interact with the environment and respond to dynamic situations with human-like acumen. In this age of accelerated innovation, AI's contributions are only beginning to surface. As industries embrace the transformative capabilities of artificial intelligence, we're granted a glimpse into the boundless potential that lies ahead. A future where collaboration between humans and machines yields solutions previously unattainable, ushering in an era where the canvas of innovation knows no boundaries, and the tapestry of progress is woven with the threads of human aspiration and technological evolution. The profound influence of AI extends beyond industries, permeating every facet of our lives. With virtual assistants and AI-driven applications as our companions, we navigate the complexities of our daily routines with newfound ease. From the familiarity of smartphones to the sophistication of smart homes, AI becomes the silent orchestrator of our interactions, seamlessly weaving technology into the fabric of our existence. However, the personal impact of AI is often underestimated by many. For numerous individuals, AI serves as a game changer, and I am no exception. While it's far from flawless in various aspects, it significantly assists me, often saving hours of tedious work or doing things I don't have the skill set for. I know my utilization of AI has merely scratched the surface of its full potential, with the realm of AI being vast, encompassing abilities ranging from music composition and development to art creation and animations. It's easy to see many of us could get use out of it. Though ethical concerns surround AI's use, particularly in its artistic applications, I strongly believe that those who embrace AI sooner rather than later will secure a competitive advantage. This situation parallels Pandora's box. Once opened, there's no retreat. Peering into the future, it becomes apparent that AI will play an increasingly significant role in our lives. While the impact might not yet be overt, it's likely that nearly every content we consume has incorporated AI in its development processes. While I don't foresee AI swiftly supplanting most jobs, I do anticipate impending changes. As I've often discussed in my other videos, change is an inherent part of the human experience. We not only adapt, but also thrive in the face of change. While the specifics may vary, the shared human experience throughout history remains remarkably similar. In embracing our past and present, we prepare ourselves for the future. With AI as our ally, we embark on a transformative journey, one where the fusion of human ingenuity and AI's capabilities propels us to new heights. So let's face the future with confidence, knowing that the story of human resilience continues, interwoven with the fabric of AI-powered innovation. As we forge ahead, let's shape a future where the boundaries of what is possible are expanded, and the remarkable potential of AI meets the limitless potential of the human spirit. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment to let me know what you think of AI being so prevalent in today's world. As I bid you farewell, I'd like to leave you with this thought. Let's embrace AI and its transformative innovations, positioning ourselves for success. After all, these innovations embody the essence of a rational mind, fostering critical thinking and propelling us forward. And remember, if we don't seize these opportunities, someone else assuredly will.